What's up guys, my name is Joe, and today I'm going to show you how to make awesome thumbnails for your Valorant videos using my graphics pack. This graphics pack will be updated regularly, so make sure you subscribe so you know when I add something new. Also, check out my thumbnail tutorial for some tips on making thumbnails. So, when you open the graphics pack, this is what it's going to look like. You get the Valorant font at the top, some cool text down here in a font called Bonico. Right now there are 10 weapons and abilities to choose from. There's also screenshots from all 4 maps. You also get a few random images as well, such as the headshot icon, the radiant icon, and the Valorant logo. Lastly, you get these white spikes that a lot of people tend to use nowadays. You can customize this however you want. For example, if you put a solid color layer above the map and change the blending mode to soft light or overlay, you get this cool effect to make your thumbnail stand out a little bit. Alright guys, this graphics pack is available to download at the link in the description. If you like it, please drop a like and consider subscribing, really helps the channel. My name is Joe, and I'll see you in the next one.